Dear students, have you seen ever a deer? I think you must have seen deer. But have you seen golden deer? No, you have not seen golden deer. But there is a story in your book, and the story is Golden Deer. Today we shall study the story of Golden Deer. Sudhakar was the only son of his parents. His parents were well to do. He was brought up in great luxury. His all wishes were fulfilled. He got love and care like a prince. His parents were very laborious. He was provided all types of facilities. When he grew young, he had many friends. He never tried to do any work in his life. With the passing of time, his parents died. There was no source of income for him. His parents had left a lot of money behind them. He spent that money for his friends who always surrounded him. His friends praised him for his luxurious life, but within 2 years he had no money to spend. The number of friends started decreasing. Sudhakar wanted to entertain his friends. He did not want that his friends should leave him. He chose another way of getting money. He met moneylenders to borrow money. They lent him money without any problem. Once again, he started spending money carelessly. Soon he was in great debt. It was not possible for him to return the money of moneylenders. No one was ready to give him money. All his friends deserted him when he had no money. He was alone in life. The moneylenders wanted their money back. They came to his house frequently. Sudhakar was sad and ashamed. One day all moneylenders came together for their money. This situation was very difficult for him to handle. He was helpless. He asked them to follow him. All moneylenders followed him. He climbed on a hill. From the peak of the hill, Sudhakar jumped. He fell into the river flowing down. There was a loud splash. They waited for some time, but there was no sign of him. They thought that he was dead and went back home. Sudhakar was very lucky. He did not die in it. A golden deer was drinking water on the bank of the river. He heard the loud sound. He jumped into the river and pulled Sudhakar out. The deer asked, "How did you fall into the river?" Sudhakar said, "I did not fall. I jumped into the river." "Why did you jump into the river?" "I don't want to live more." "What is the cause? Tell me everything so that I may do something for you." "I am in great debt. It is not possible for me to return the money of my moneylenders." "You have got a chance. You should go back and start a new life." "I cannot show my face to anyone in this society. I am giving you one of my golden horns. Sell it to a goldsmith. Return the money of your moneylenders." Sudhakar said, "I thank you for your kindness. I shall never forget it." The golden deer said, "You should promise that you will never tell anyone about this incident." Sudhakar returned the money of moneylenders. He started working in king's palace. The goldsmith gifted that golden horn to the king. The king was very happy to get it. The queen also saw it. She was enchanted by its beauty. She thought, if the horn was so beautiful, the deer must be more beautiful. She wished to possess the golden deer. The king announced, Anyone who will bring the golden deer, he will be given much reward. Hearing this announcement, Sudhakar felt with greed. He forgot the promise. He went to the king and said, I know about the golden deer. I can lead you to the exact spot. Next day, Sudhakar went to the bank of the river. The king and some soldiers were with him. The golden deer was busy in grazing grass. When he saw Sudhakar, he became very happy. He went near him. Suddenly, many soldiers surrounded the golden deer from all sides. They captured the golden deer and brought him before the king. The golden deer was annoyed with Sudhakar. He said to the king everything about Sudhakar. The golden deer said, I saved his life, but he has broken his promise. In this condition, who will help a needy person? The king turned to Sudhakar and said, You should be ashamed of yourself. You want to betray the life of that who saved your life. You have no right to live in this world. The golden deer requested, Please forgive him for his mistake. Do not punish him. The king was impressed with the kindness of the golden deer. He asked, What is your wish? The golden deer said, I want men and animals should live peacefully. They should help each other. Animals help men in many ways. Men should also be kind to animals. They should not harm the animals and birds. The king appreciated the golden deer and returned the palace. This is the end of the story. Thank you. Have a nice day.